Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a Chrome browser scrolling glitch. A scrolling glitch in Google Chrome can appear as lag, screen jumping, flickering, or unexpected behavior when using a mouse wheel or trackpad. This issue is usually caused by browser settings, hardware acceleration problems, or outdated drivers. To fix this, open Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, and go to Settings. From the left menu, navigate to the System section. Turn off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Then turn it back on again. Disabling and re-enabling hardware acceleration can reset how Chrome interacts with your graphics hardware and improve scrolling performance. Another common cause is browser extensions, as some extensions interfere with scrolling. Try temporarily disabling extensions to see if the issue is resolved. The problem may also be caused by an outdated Chrome version, so go to About Chrome and update the browser. If the issue continues, check your system's display, mouse, or touchpad drivers, since outdated drivers can affect scrolling behavior. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial videos.